To make Robinhood dark mode, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the account icon, which is usually represented by a person. This will take you to the account page, where you can find various settings and options. Scroll down to the Preferences section and select Appearance. Within the Appearance settings, you will find the option to switch between light and dark mode. Select dark mode to enable it, and the app will automatically change its theme to a darker color scheme. This can help reduce eye strain, especially in low light environments, and also provide a sleek and modern look to the app. It is worth noting that the dark mode option is only available on the mobile app, and not on the web version of Robinhood. Additionally, some users may need to update their app to the latest version to access this feature. Best practice is to regularly review and adjust your app settings to ensure they are optimized for your needs and preferences. By following these steps, you can easily enable dark mode on the Robinhood app and enhance your overall user experience.